All right, thank you guys for sharing your project with us. And I was wondering if you can, we discussed the project a little bit. So maybe first you can tell me what you did, and then we'll dive a little bit more into details with the technical background of the project. So what did you guys do for your project?
So we decided to build an entertaining application that we can use later on. We built a Space Invader type game where we have a spaceship and comets are falling down, and you have to use the FPGA board to control the spaceship.
Okay. What kind of stuff you used on the what board did you guys use? The DE1 SoC.
We used the DE1 SoC.
Okay.
FPGA
And what
board.
components did you guys need or use on the board? Like anything specific that you needed?
We had to use the G sensor in order to control the spaceship using the board.
Okay.
So the movement of the board would dictate whether we go left or right. Also, we used the switches on the board to pause and unpause the game. We also use the VGA component on the board in order to display the game on a monitor.
Okay, cool. And what did you guys program the game in? Maybe a little bit more about the software that you guys used?
So we programmed everything in C on the Ubuntu that's running on the FPGA board. Now, in order to interface with the VGA component, we created a wrapper that interfaces with the frame buffer that's a part of Ubuntu. Okay. Now, we also used the C image library, which allowed us to display all the graphics that we're going to see.
And how did you implement the graphics, like movements, kind of?
The animations were done by having separate frames of a single object, and in the code we loop through each of those frames, which makes it seem like it's moving.
Okay. Do you guys want to do a demo and see how it works? All right. So I assume you guys loaded the game already?
The game has been loaded. We loaded it through the serial communication from PuTTY.
Okay.
And what we're seeing on this monitor is everything that's coming out of the VGA from the FPGA board.
Okay. So let's, I guess if you press some buttons.
Yeah, so as you can see right now, it's paused. As soon as I unpause it, the game will start.
Okay.
Now the objective is to avoid the comets, and I am controlling the rocket's movement by tilting the board. Now the more we tilt it, the faster the rocket moves, which allows for precision movement. In the top left corner of the screen, you see the score. Mm-hmm. We count that 10 times a second, and it goes up. And the higher the user is able to stay alive, the higher the score goes. Now the game does increase in difficulty slowly.
Okay, sounds good.